Hello to all of you. Myself Rohit Dutt, and I'm taking your business studies class. So students, in our previous class we have started the new chapter, that is business environment, and have seen features. Today we will be seeing importance of business environment. Okay, so before I proceed again, I would like to remind you that please go through the e-PDF of this chapter, and one more message, please follow the guidelines related to lockdown and stay home and be safe. Okay, so coming to our new topic, that is importance of business environment. Okay, so it is very important for every business to keep an eye on the changes in business environment. Got it, everyone? So let's see the following reasons for the same. Okay, so first reason is that it enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Got it? So, opportunity refers to the positive changes that can help a firm to improve its performance. Got it? So, environment provides numerous opportunity for business. Its early identification will help the firm to be first to exploit it rather than losing to its competitors. So got it? So understanding of business environment help an organization in identifying advantages, opportunity and getting their benefit prior to competitors, thus reaping the benefit of being a pioneer. Then coming to second point, that is uh, it helps the firm to identify threats and early warnings. Okay, so or early signals we can say. Then threats are the changes which can hinder a firm performance. Early identification to uh, can help the firm to take immediate steps to minimize the possibility of loss or take counter step for it. Got it? So correct knowledge of business environment helps an organization to identify those threats which may adversely affect its operation. For example, Bajaj Auto, okay, it made considerable improvement in its two wheelers when Honda and other company entered the auto industry. Got it? Then coming to third point, that is uh, it helps in tapping useful resources. Okay, so environment acts as a source of inputs and as an outlet for outputs. Clear? An enterprise design its policy that allows it to get the resources and convert those resources into output that the environment desire. Good. So this is possible only through the proper understanding of business environment. So business environment makes available various resources such as capital, labor, machine, raw materials, etc. Got it? So total uh, in order to know the availability of resource and making them available on time at economical price, knowledge of business environment is necessary. Next point is copying in rapid changes. Okay, so you can see next point, it helps in coping with the rapid changes. So, to cope up with the dynamic environment, a manager must understand the environment and develop suitable course of action. Okay, so continuous studying or scanning of business environment helps in knowing the changes which are taking place, and this they can be faced effectively. Coming to point number 5, it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. Okay, so for deciding the future course of action and formulating the policy for the future, the environment should be well scanned and understood. Clear? So understanding and analysis of business environment help an organization in planning policy formulation. For example, ITC hotels planned new hotels in India after observing boom in tourism sector. Okay, so last one, coming to next point, that is it helps in improving performance. So an enterprise which closely monitors its environment and adapts suitable business practice improves its present performance and succeeds in making in the market for a longer period. Okay, so correct analysis and continuous monitoring of business environment helps an organization in improving its performance.